We, being the pioneers in providing data analytics services, truly believe in the sheer power of data and data-driven decision-making. Connecting people, data, plans together could not just unleash the true potential of data by data-driven decision-making, but also opens doors for data-driven planning. Along with our partner Anaplan, we empower every business function across the enterprise to rapidly develop performance management applications and planning solutions for sales, marketing, HR, supply chain, finance, IT, and operations. Enterprises leverage Anaplan's connected planning platform and solutions to enable real-time planning and decision-making in the fast-paced business landscape, gain a competitive advantage, and accelerate business success at every level within your organization. So, what all does it take to be the Anaplan implementation partner of your choice? 50+ highly qualified architects and Anaplanners. Certifications, Center of Excellence for integrations with Anaplan. Success stories across various industries. Frameworks, in-house accelerators, and innovation lab. Still not convinced? Schedule a meeting with us.